Firstly, we copy all the data from Excel to Microsoft Project. Second part is produce Gantt chart. Our project begins with project initiation on June 5, 2025, a one-day phase to align goals, stakeholder and scope. From June 6 to 10, we conduct requirement gathering essential input to guide system design and development. In parallel, system design runs from June 6 to July 3, defining the overall architecture over 20 days. Database setup start on June 9 after requirements are clear and continue for 60 days until August 7. Back-end development kicks off on June 26 when design is ready, lasting 10 days until July 9. After the database is complete, front-end development runs from August 8 to September 4, handling server-side logic. Integration and testing overlap with other phases taking place from July 6 to August 14 to streamline delivery. Alongside testing, user acceptance testing UAT runs from July 6 to July 31, involving real user to validate the system. Deployment and training start on August 28 after back-end work, running to September 10 for environment setup. The go live phase runs from August 20 to September 16, overlapping with preparation as the system goes live. Finally, post-implementation support begins on September 12 and ends October 9, addressing issues and ensuring success. Next, produce pie chart. We click on Gantt chart, click network diagram and choose pie chart. The project starts with project initiation, which serves as our starting point. This phase has no prerequisite and lays the groundwork for everything that follows. Once initiation is complete, we move to requirement gathering. After gathering all the necessary requirements, two parallel paths begin system design and database development. Following the system design, we proceed to front-end development where we create the user interface based on the finalized design. In parallel, once the database setup is complete, we transition into front-end development, which builds the system's core functionality using the structured database. When both front-end and back-end development are finished, we enter integration and testing to verify how all components work together. At the same time, user acceptance testing UAT is conducted by actual users to ensure the system meets their need. After successful testing and user validation, we move into deployment and training, where we set up the live environment and finalize the launch plan. This leads directly to go live, where the system officially goes live. Finally, once deployment is complete, we enter the post-implementation support phase. This closing stage is dedicated to monitoring the system, resolving issues, and measuring overall success. So next, I will be showing how to actually identify critical tasks in Microsoft Project. First, open project in Gantt chart view. Next, click on the Gantt chart format tab at the top of the screen. Here you will see a checkbox labeled critical tasks. Tick that box. Once it's checked, Microsoft Project will highlight all critical tasks in red. These are the tasks that must be done on time. Blue tasks are non-critical tasks with slack, meaning they have the flexibility and can be delayed without impacting the project's final deadline. To see more details, let's add a column for slack. Right-click on any column heading, like task name, and choose insert column, then type total slack. This column will now show how much time each task can be delayed. If the slack value is 0, this task is critical and cannot be late because it affects the project completion date. In Microsoft Project, the critical path is the backbone of your project schedule. Tasks with 0 slack are critical and shown in red. Tasks in blue have some flexibility and are less risky. By understanding which tasks are critical, we can plan smarter, manage delays more effectively, and keep our projects on time.